Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're doing a crucial update on Kgen. Just yesterday, we called for a strong bearish reversal due to the rising wedge pattern, and the market delivered a massive minus 32% dump. That move played out exactly as predicted, but now the price is sitting on a critical support level. I am buying this dip here around 29.50 cents. The charts show that bulls may be back, especially as the price is holding above the uptrend line and this key support area. We are looking at a potential daily double bottom here, and the overall structure is strong for another push. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.